ELI 5. Why does rooster crow in morning or around break of dawn? As someone who has raised chickens, they crow all fucking day. It's just you notice it more in the morning. They crow for a lot of reasons. Movement they see that alerts them. Certain noises. They're like dogs seeing shit in the window. Well, when the sun comes up they can see shit moving and alert everyone. Eventually they get used to the trees moving in the wind and realize it's just normal shit. Had a rooster that wouldn't shut up and lost its shit every time a door opened and closed and hated the sounds of chain link fence gates.